Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate AWS Skill Builder training proof on LinkedIn. Complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your AWS Skill Builder account. Navigate to the My Skills section on the dashboard. Look for the course you wish to activate proof for. Once you've found the course, click on the title to open the course details. Scroll down to the Completion Certificate section. Click on the Download Certificate button. Save the certificate to your device. Next, open a new browser tab and log in to your LinkedIn account. Go to your profile page by clicking on your profile picture in the top menu. Select the Add Profile section button. Choose Add Featured. Click on Links. Paste the link to where your training proof or certificate can be accessed. Add a title, such as AWS Skill Builder Training Certificate. Include a brief description if necessary. Click Add to include the certificate in your featured section. Now, return to the main profile page. Scroll to the section where your featured content is displayed. Ensure that your AWS Skill Builder certificate is visible. Consider sharing a post about your achievement on LinkedIn. To do this, go back to the home page. Click on the Start a Post option. Describe your training experience and what you learned. Tag AWS or any relevant connections to increase visibility. Finally, click on the Post button to share your achievement with your network. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.